Hello guys, in this video I will show is Creators Alliance legit or scam? Thinking about joining Creators Alliance? Let's talk about it. The platform says it helps creators with video promotion, distribution, and even monetization. Sounds good, right? But there are some big red flags. First, you need to pay money upfront just to unlock the chance of earning, something genuine platforms never ask for. Second, the website looks sketchy, with poor design and unbelievable claims. Third, some people believe it's a pyramid or task scam, where you keep paying but never actually get paid. On top of that, the site's source code has Chinese elements, which makes things even more suspicious. And worst of all, there's no clear information about the owners. Without transparency, trusting the platform is very risky. Creators Alliance is full of red flags and shows all the signs of being unsafe. If you're looking to grow as a creator, it's better to stay away and use trusted platforms instead. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.